Tagore Jayanti on the 164th birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore. He was also popularly known as Gurudev, who was a polymath of the highest order. He has made multiple contributions in fields of literature, art, music, and even education. His vision could be seen in the execution of the Vishwa Bharati University, which combines knowledge with music, art, and dance. We begin with the presentations for the day with a song presented by the Sargam Choir, which has been mentored by Ali sir and Monalisa ma'am, which was himself written by Tagore on his 80th birthday in 1941. Mr. Manoj K. Thakur. We are so excited to have you here, sir. As I remember this, some phrases come to my mind. On a cloudy day with crazy winds, my crazy mind wakes up. Where there is no path around a circle, it rushes there for no reason. Don't these words tell you more about longing and stirring emotions? Presenting Pagla Hawar Badol Dine by grade 6 students who have been mentored by Mona Lisa ma'am and Mona ma'am.
Entire performing art team, grade 9th and 11th children, and the most important grade 6 children who was recently given their performance. So this is a great day, and I think all great day, children, this is for you, all great work which has been done in the journey of mankind has been not very loud and vocal like World War. These are the great change which has been done in the society without any such louder words by some great people. If you recall or if you remember and aware about the history of modern India, there are certain people who has actually changed the course of entire action. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was one of them who has actually made the change in the country, and you might be aware about the great event led by Dayananda Saraswati ji, Suddhikar movement in the country. It was a great impact on entire North India. If you see the whole country and its impact, there are two people who are striking in my mind as on date. One is Guruji Rabindranath Tagore.
শ্রাবণ বর্ষণ সঙ্গীতে
signifies of a world that has no deceits, no darkness, no jealousy, no violence, no repentance, and no pretense. It talks of a world where the stone-hearted will be showered with love. With the same, I'd like to invite Arj Gupta and Anusaya ma'am on stage.
तुमने युग युग में बार बार इस दयाहीन संसार में अपने दूत भेजे हैं। वो कह गए हैं क्षमा करो, कह गए हैं प्रेम करो, अंतर से विद्वेष का विष नष्ट करो। ये भी एक ऐसे संसार में चित्त जहां भय शून्य हो, ज्ञान जहां मुक्त हो, शीश जहां उच्च हो, जहां घर की दीवारों ने इस वसुधा को आठों पहर छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में बांटकर अपने आंगन में बंद नहीं किया है। इस वसुधा में गुण तो बहुत है, पर जहर की भी कमी नहीं है। मैंने देखा है हिंसा ने कपट रात्रि की छाया में निस्सहाय को चोट पहुंचाई है। मैंने देखा है तरुण बालक उन्मत्त होकर दौड़ पड़ा है, बेकार ही पत्थर पर सर पीट पीट कर मर गया है। क्या तुमने उन्हें माफ किया? क्या तुमने उन्हें क्षमा किया? क्या तुमने उन्हें प्रेम किया? विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, ये मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं। विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, ये मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं। केवल इतना हो करुणामय, कभी ना विपदा में पाऊं मैं। केवल इतना हो करुणामय, दुख को कर सकूं सदा जय, दुख को कर सकूं सदा जय, दुख को कर सकूं सदा जय।
বরিশোধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি, বরিশোধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি, শুষ্ক হৃদয় লয়ে আছে দাঁড়ায়ে, শুষ্ক হৃদয় লয়ে আছে দাঁড়ায়ে, ঊর্ধ্বমুখে নরনারী, বরিশোধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি, বরিশোধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি। না থাকে অন্ধকার, না থাকে মোহ পাপ, না থাকে শোক পরিতাপ, না থাকে অন্ধকার, না থাকে মোহ পাপ, না থাকে শোক পরিতাপ। ধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি, বরিশ ধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি। কেন এ হিংসা দেশ, কেন এ ছদ্মবেশ, কেন এ মানভিমান, কেন এ হিংসা দেশ, কেন এ ছদ্মবেশ, কেন এ মানভিমান। বিতর বিতর প্রেম পাষাণ হৃদয়ে, বিতর বিতর প্রেম পাষাণ হৃদয়ে, জয় জয় হোক তোমারি, বরিশ ধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি, বরিশ ধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি। শুষ্ক হৃদয় লয়ে আছে দাঁড়ায়ে, শুষ্ক হৃদয় লয়ে আছে দাঁড়ায়ে, ঊর্ধ্ব মুখে নর নারী, বরিশ ধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি, বরিশ ধরা মাঝে শান্তির বাড়ি।
Event, I would like to invite our chief guest to share a few words on the event. Can we have you on stage, sir?
Tagore was not just a poet. He was a visionary philosopher, musician, artist, educationist, and a champion of humanity. Born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata, his contributions have left an indelible mark on the world. His work crossed boundaries. His poetry resonated with the soul. His songs stirred emotions, and his thoughts brought light to education and social reforms. I am delighted to see how beautifully these school principals, teachers and students have come together to organize this celebration. The performance is a living tribute to the spirit of Tagore. It is heartening to witness young minds engaging with his legacy, for it is you, the students, who will carry his message of harmony, creativity and compassion forward. Tagore believed that education must bring out the inner beauty of the human soul. His vision for holistic learning gave birth to Vishwabharati University. Earlier it was known as Santiniketan.
Come to the conclusion of this event, I would like to give the vote of thanks. On behalf of all the students, I take this opportunity to thank each one of you for making today's Tagore Jayanti celebration so meaningful. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal for extending this avenue to us. And also to Mr. Manoj for being present here. Thank you so much, sir. We really enjoyed your company today in the event. Then furthermore, I would like to thank all the people, all the beautiful souls who have made today's event possible. Our entire performing arts and visual arts department. Can we please have you on stage as well? I'd also like to thank Mansi ma'am, Deepu sir, Chetan sir, Sneha ma'am, and all the other people who have contributed to this event, and I've been unable to take names. Then we'd also, finally, of course, like to thank all the participants. Your performances and speeches truly brought Tagore's vision alive. If it were not for the students, obviously this event wouldn't have come to life. And a big thank you to the organizing teams and the volunteers for their work behind the scene. I would like to invite all the students and the teachers who were mentioned on the stage once. Finally, thank you to the entire audience for your enthusiasm and presence. Let us carry forward Tagore's spirit through and through. We hope that you've taken some lessons away from today's event.